Welcome, my dear viewer, to Dr. Paul Kebicho, PhD, QBHSC YouTube channel. As has always been the case, my main mission is to talk to people about investing money for their future. More than not, we talk to people on matters finances, but again, people take a lot of time before they make those kind of decisions. It is evident that we are all products of our own decisions. Most of us people, we are not in a position to make decisions, and that is why many of our projects have actually stopped. It is important to note that we have begun a new year, 2023, and what you have done in the previous years should only be a reminder of you on how visible and how good you have been at making decisions. We have been talking about Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited now for the last 1 year and a few months. I'm calling upon all those people who are interested in investing in diversified portfolio account using Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited as their vehicle to do so. Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited has been there now for 1 year and now 2 months. And what we normally do is that we invite investors to come and put money in our company, which is run by a board of directors. I happen to be the founder and the chairman, and we floated 125,000 shares. We are fully registered by the government of Kenya. We have what we call the letters that are required for us, or rather the licenses. If I speak in the legal terms, we have the prerequisite licenses to operate this particular business. For you to become part of Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited, you require to buy a minimum 1 share. The minimum number of shares one can buy is 1 share. 1 share is worth 16,000 shillings. And the maximum number of shares that one can buy are 625 shares, meaning which is actually equivalent to 10 million Kenya shillings. We don't allow people to go beyond 10 million Kenya shillings. So you can buy a maximum number of shares up to 625. The minimum you can buy is 1 share, which is equivalent to 16,000 Kenya shillings. You can buy either 2 shares, 3 shares, 4 shares monthly. You can even buy them monthly, quarterly, yearly. The choice is yours. And what we basically do is that we subject your money to various investment vehicles, and we are guaranteeing you that, of course, if you are paying monthly, it will depend on the number of shares that you can afford. There are those people who buy 2 shares, 4 shares, 5 shares, 10 shares, depending on your capacity, but we have categorically said that you cannot go beyond 625. This investment, for you to start enjoying the returns on this particular investment, you must be a member for at least 3 years. So we are not going to give you any money between now and the third year. And I want to make it very, very clear. And this investment, by the way, without prejudice, is actually tailored for it is purely for us people who speak my mother tongue, not because we are tribal, but because we want to see whether we can be able to help our people to get more economically empowered. So after 3 years, but I want to make it clear, we shall start paying dividends on the third year. And on the third year, now dividends will be coming every year. So every subsequent year, you'll be receiving dividends. Give us instructions on how you want your dividends to be coming your way. We can be paying your dividends on monthly basis, after every 2 months, quarterly, half yearly. The choice is yours. Now, those people who give us money in lump sum, we have somebody who has paid 8 million Kenya shillings. Those people will be paid what we call, they will get a higher dividend than those people who pay monthly because their ability to meet the minimum threshold of investing money has been met. Many investment vehicles, they start paying a return on investment after one individual or after their client has been able to accumulate a minimum of 250,000 shillings. So those people who give us a lump sum amount of money, they'll get what we call a preferential return because they gave us the opportunity to invest money that meets the investment threshold early enough. We are not saying that we shall not consider those others who pay monthly, but of course, those people who gave us money in lump sum, who made a prepayment in advance, they'll be able to get maximum benefits because of that particular aspect. You can continually increase your shares at any given time. There are those who started with 1, they're now paying for 2, for 3, for 4. But basically, why am I talking about investment? Why am I so, I've been telling people, I'm so passionate about investments. It is because I know time is coming where whatever you did during your youthful stage will count. Cash flow is the king. When you grow old, you change your diet. You'll be visiting the doctor more often. You'll be requiring to wear in a special manner. So you cannot go carrying a piece of land to a doctor's consultation room. So what we want to avail to you clients is what we call lady cash. Cash flow is the king. So please take time, invest money with us. And for more information pertaining to this investment, kindly write me a text, either via WhatsApp, or you can even write me a message in my phone, which is 0722 633 021. If you write me a small text on 0722 633 021 and you tell me that you're interested, we will be able to send you what we call the members application form. In that members application form, there's lots. Of course, you'll get your biodata, your name, your address, your contact, your whatever. Then it shall also give you what we call the provision on the mode of payment. It will tell us how you want to be paying. We'll also give you a provision to write what we call the next of kin details. And then after that, we'll be able to produce, once you pay the first, of course, you have to pay. For you to become part of Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited, you must pay what we call an unrefundable registration fee of 5,000 shillings. That non-refundable registration fee of 5,000 shillings can either be paid directly to the bank account of Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited, or you can even pay to us directly to our till number. Our till number will lead Panorama Consulting Company, because Panorama Consulting Company and Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited, they are cousins. So once you pay the 5,000 shillings, we'll be able now to consider you as our member. We shall proceed. Now you can also pay for the number of shares that you want. Then we shall proceed and produce for you what we call the membership share certificate to show that you're a full member of Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited. Immediately you have done that, we shall also now add you to the Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited WhatsApp, where we communicate our matters. And I can tell you, it is amazing to be a member of Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited. For those who know, we have walked a journey. It's quite unfortunate that we are still mourning one of our clients who passed on. We lost one of our good clients. One of our members passed on last week. We buried her last week on Friday. May the family members receive our condolences. May Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited members also receive our same message of poured to them. We hope that God is going to keep us now intact until we start enjoying the fruits of our investments. So I'm calling upon all of you interested in joining us. Kindly drop me your email address either through my number 0722633021 or by sending me an email via paulkebicho@gmail.com, paulkebicho@gmail.com, or Quest Pinnacle Investment @gmail.com. Quest Pinnacle Investment @gmail.com. For more information, I'll be availing to you. Remember, today determines how your tomorrow will be. So you don't have to wait until tomorrow to start planning. You start planning now, because a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. It is good to have hope. It is good to invest. It is good to belong to a group of investors like Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Always a blessing having you on board. For more questions, you can ask me questions. I'll be able to explain to you. And I'm telling you, we have gone places. I salute all members of Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited, especially those who joined even before they came to know who Kebicho was. Thank you for the confidence. We thank God for you. Thank you so much, Mr. Kemani Joroga, wherever you are. And I never saw you in the month of December. I hope you'll be able to visit us during Easter. To all our members of Quest Pinnacle Investment Ventures Limited, we love you. We thank God for you because of cooperating with us and investing with us. Quest Pinnacle is the home of investors. Feel free to join us, because kamuige koyaga ndire no kurureaga withe na utamerithitie ndatigaga kuhanda. May God bless you. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Okay.